Hello, Change Crusaders. Today, we're focusing on one powerful mindset. The billionaire's mindset and the art of never giving up. In the realm of billion-dollar achievers, the phrase, "I can't" doesn't exist. They're relentless. They're fearless. But most importantly, they're believers in their own power to succeed. Let's dive deeper and uncover the secrets of this no excuses, billionaire mindset. Remember, every billionaire starts with the same thing, not money, but mindset. They start with the belief that they can make a difference, and that they can mold the world to their vision. They encounter obstacles just like the rest of us. But do they stop? No, they push forward, learning, evolving, and adapting. Because to them, failure is not a setback, it's a setup for a comeback. And the best part? You too can embrace this mindset. You too can remove the word impossible from your vocabulary and replace it with I'm possible. We all have the potential to manifest greatness, to turn dreams into reality. It starts with adopting a no excuses mindset. It starts with the understanding that the journey is tough, but the destination is worth it. Remember, the power to change your life is in your hands. So, are you ready to foster the mindset that billionaires possess? Are you ready to take responsibility, push your limits, and manifest your grandest visions? The time to start is now. Change Crusaders, keep pushing, keep dreaming, and never, ever give up. This is your journey, your story. Make it extraordinary. Remember, change starts with you. Embrace the no excuses mindset. Because the world needs more billion-dollar dreamers. Until next time, stay motivated, Change Crusaders. Remember, Change Crusader, empower, innovate, prosper, repeat. It all starts with you. I can, I will, I must. Let's go.